Oxide Channel TV coming back at you. So, we're working on the classic like always. So we're going to put some weather stripping in. Trunk seal. So we can go all the way around the edge here. I'm not gluing it down or anything. I'm just going to put it in just so we have a nice seal in here, because the car's going to be prepped for paint soon here. So we'll get back with that, and I'll let you see what goes on after that. So, I'll let you look inside the trunk. No crazy rust or anything, so I'll get back with you. Hold on a sec. Okay guys, so when I start out on this, on the trunk seal, I always like to start it in here first, so you get it down in the groove here. Like to center it right here with this line. Here, I'll move it over just a little bit for you, but just to get it started in there. See, and then what I like to do is go all the way around. It's like prep it, you know what I mean? Just like stick that right there, just where it stays, and then I'll go around the whole entire trunk. Let's see here, I'm trying to go around it here. Just throw it and get it all the way around the whole entire thing. Just where we have it prepped and ready. So, get it nice and tight and whatever. Get it situated. You're gonna have access on this anyways. It's gonna be a lot extra, probably about another, I don't know, probably about maybe half a foot or so. So let me get this lined up, and then I'll show you the aftermath. Okay, so we got it tucked in pretty good here. It's usually loose down here at the bottom. You usually get the silicone and put under it and stuff, but when it starts getting up around the edges here, it gets nice and tight. You see here, this actually has to tuck down in here, but it's on the turn, so that's where you use the silicone. All the rest here, you see the little lip here. And then we'll go the other side. There's a lip there. I always stick this one in first, come around, and then just push this down on the inside. And then I'll go back through with like a credit card or soft piece of nylon, plastic or something, and just go around the whole entire edge here. So you get it all nice and tucked in, so it has a nice good tight seal. If you see that there, it's got the seal edge on it. But like I said, right here, you gotta actually use some silicone. It'll hold on itself, but you gotta use silicone just to see how that comes up, just to make it stick. So let me finish this up. We'll get it all around the top, and then I'll show you the end results. Okay, so we're coming around the bend here. We're almost done. So see how it's a nice little seal around the edge right there. And like I said, we'll meet up at the end, and then we'll just clip it. So let's see if we can actually do some of this with you guys on here. Let's see, just tuck that back lip in. Like here, like I said, you're gonna have to use a little bit of silicone here, just to get it to tuck nice. But here, trying to do this all one-handed, which is not that easy. But you see what I mean with how it's going in? Just tuck it in, go around, just keep going. Okay, and that's, we got what, maybe 2 feet of extra here. So, like I said, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm going to go through and I'm going to tuck all this in with the little nylon little thing or screwdriver. So that's pretty much it. Get a nice seal on your classic. That's pretty much it. So if this helps anybody, like I said, that's why I was saying we're not doing it, silicone it down, because we got to take care of all this stuff here. It's not that bad, but that's pretty much it, you guys. So pretty much Hog-Size Channel TV. This is the original color here. That's where we're going to get it back to. So Hog-Size Channel TV, talk to you later. This came from I-5. you guys, if you've seen on my web page and all that stuff, you see this is where I order a lot of stuff from. i5 Classics. So that's it. Hogside Channel TV. Later.